So take a look guys, isn't it looking so beautiful? I love eating such dishes. So I'll just place it all over here like this. So it's 2 minutes now and we'll see how it is done. Oh wow, look at this. It's looking really awesome. So this is how it should be looking. And hello, today I'm making chicken yakni pulao. So this dish is basically from Lucknow. Chicken yakni pulao is a one-pot dish from Lucknow and it is mixed with chicken and flavorful basmati rice. Chicken yakni pulao is a really delicate, aromatic, flavorful dish which is very delicately spiced. So chicken yakni pulao is a Nawabi dish, royal dish which should be made and eaten and tried at least once in your own kitchen. So follow me to my kitchen and let's start making chicken yakni pulao. I'm all set to make my yakni pulao. So I've just kept a pressure cooker. So pressure cooker actually cooks the food faster. So that's why I always use pressure cooker. And it saves time, and I always like to cook, but I like to save my time to 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. So let the clarified butter heat a bit. So here I have around 1 kg of chicken. So what I'll do is, this is curry cut chicken, so I'll put all the pieces of chicken into my pot, and now I have all these spices on my plate. So I have one whole garlic over here. So you'd have to have a whole garlic, but you have to chop off this part of the garlic. We have some cloves over here, some 10 cloves. We have 2 cardamom, 3 cinnamon, 1 inch 3 cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of peppercorns. We have some mace over here, which is also called Javitri, and this is 1 inch ginger. These are 2 chilies, green chilies, 2 red chilies, and some fennel seeds, which is also called badi soap, and this is bay leaf. So we'll add all of these into our pot over here. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. Now we'll add our coriander seeds. So we should add at least 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and we should add whole coriander seeds. We shouldn't put any powder. So whole coriander seeds is very much essential. So let's add coriander seeds. Now next I'll add my cumin seeds into this. I have some baby onions over here, so I'll be adding these baby onions. So you all can add normal onion too, but this gives a very good flavor, so we have to add this now into our pot. The next thing we have to add is a little salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt goes into it, 1.5 teaspoon, and now we'll add some water to this. Now we'll just mix all of this together. And now what we're doing is actually preparing a soup out of this, a chicken stock out of this with all the spices. So this chicken stock with all the spices is called yakni. So later on we'll use this yakni to cook the rice along with the chicken. So now we'll not cook the chicken completely, we'll cook it halfway. So we'll cook it only for 2 whistles along. Next step of yakni pulao. So in this pan I'll put around 2 teaspoons of clarified butter. To this I'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, green chili paste. This is ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I'll let it fry a bit. Let all the aromas emit into my oil, into my So our chicken along with our yakni is ready now. Look at this. I have the stove, and so I'll just place it all over here like this. Now I'll strain all the water like this. This is the stock which we have reserved. So this stock which has come out now is really flavorful because we have put so many spices into the chicken like this. So all the stock has gone into this chicken. Now we have 2 cups of washed and strained rice. So we'll add this into our pot over here and we'll give it a good mix. So at this stage you can just check the salt, and if the salt is less you can add more. And here I have a lemon, half a lemon, so I'll just squeeze some lemon into this. Close the lid and I'll cook this for around 8 to 9 minutes. The weather is so amazing outside. Just take a look, and my yakni pulao is cooking inside, and it's the perfect weather to have such an awesome spicy dish today. Now we'll open our pan and see. So the water has almost evaporated. So what we'll do is we'll quickly cover this with a foil and we'll press the lid on top of it and let it cook in its own steam for some time. So it's 2 minutes now and we'll see how it is done. Oh wow, look at this. It's looking really awesome. So this is how it should be looking. And so the next step is we've kept a tempering pan over here. So we'll start with tempering our yakni pulao with some onions. So we'll just put around 2 teaspoons of clarified butter into our pan. As it heats, we'll put 1 chopped onion. Let it become really brown in color. So look at this, our onion has got caramelized. Now we'll add this into our yakni pulao. So here it goes into our pulao, all of it. Now I have a few nuts over here, some almonds and some cashews. So I'll just quickly add it all over. So I'll just remove a little bit onto my plate. Very gently you should play with the rice because it might break. It's really become long grained and beautiful. So we should gently, try to remove it off from the plate. So I'll sprinkle some more nuts on it. I'll place some wedges of lemon over it, and we should squeeze a lemon and have it always. So look at our dish. Isn't it looking amazing? Our yakni pulao is ready to eat. Go for it now, guys. So having this along with the beautiful scenery outside is a pleasure in its own way. So take a look, guys. Isn't it looking so beautiful? I love eating such dishes during the monsoon season because the weather is so crisp, and having such food during such time is a big blessing. So we should learn how to make all this, and we should always have it whenever we feel like. So have a bite.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.